Hey everyone, today we are immersing ourselves into the intricate world of Canva, and I am genuinely excited to guide you through an in-depth step-by-step design journey. Whether you are a beginner or aiming to refine your artistic prowess, this video is your ultimate companion. Stick around till the end for a thorough guide on becoming a Canva virtuoso. Now, let us unravel the intricacies of design. Step number 1. Setting up your Canva account. Embark on your Canva journey by setting up your account. Navigate to canva.com, and for new users, click on Sign Up. Follow the intuitive steps to create your Canva account, be it through email or Gmail. For returning users, a simple login will suffice. Let us ensure that you are ready to unleash your creativity. Step number 2. Navigating your Canva dashboard. Dive into your Canva dashboard, the epicenter of your creative universe. This space is where your artistic aspirations come to life. Explore past projects and effortlessly access the tools at your disposal. Let us meticulously dissect each section, ensuring you are well-versed in navigating the multifaceted Canva dashboard. Step number 3. Mastering the header features. Venture into the header features, the portal to design brilliance. Your main taskbar is the gateway to creativity. Discover the Design Spotlight section, a curated showcase of diverse design options, ranging from logos to flyers. Uncover top products seamlessly integrated into the header, such as presentations, whiteboards, PDF editing, and more. Step number 4. Detailed exploration of Design Spotlight. Zoom in on the Design Spotlight. Click on specific categories to reveal an extensive array of design possibilities, whether crafting a logo, flyer, banner, or resume. Canva provides meticulously crafted templates for every creative need, unlocking an extensive library of design templates catering to various themes and styles. Step number 5. Next steps, advanced techniques. Our journey continues into advanced design techniques and editing tools. Learn the art of mastering layers, customizing templates, and elevating your Canva designs to the pinnacle of creativity. Step number 6. Plans and Pricing In-Depth Overview. Delve deeper into the plans and pricing section. Explore the nuances of the free, pro, and themes plans. We will dissect the details of each plan later in the video. But before that, let us explore the left-hand section, your toolkit for unleashing creativity. Step number 7. Left-hand section, Ribbon Dashboard. Discover the left-hand section, your dashboard's ribbon. Unearth your homepage and templates for various projects. Dive into the Tools section, including Brand, Content Planner, and more. Uncover the power of brand management and efficient project planning, making your creative process seamless. Step number 8. Business, Education, and Plans and Pricing Breakdown. Navigate through additional sections, Business, Education, and Plans and Pricing. Gain insights into Canva's affiliation program and business plans tailored for expansive project. Unlock educational resources designed for both teachers and students. Stay tuned as we delve into the granular details of each plan for a comprehensive understanding. Concluding our deep dive into mastering Canva, you are now equipped with the knowledge to navigate the platform with confidence. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master Canva's features, a step-by-step design tutorial for beginners. Thank you for watching, and I will see you until the next one.